Hi, I'm reviewing this wireless charging alarm clock. So on the top of it, it's got the MagSafe design, and it works great with phones with that type of case to charge it up quickly. It works really pretty quickly. So this little charging symbol on there tells me I have a phone on there charging. You've got all sorts of buttons up here, and they're pretty self-explanatory for what they do. It's really easy to use. You have 9 different sounds you can set your alarm on, which is really nice. And then of course the FM radio. It's got detailed instructions in the book. It includes a little warranty card, and it comes boxed really nicely, which would make a great gift. So I think it's very affordable, effective. The speaker is not bad at all. I tried that on Bluetooth, and I was actually a little bit impressed that this is an alarm clock speaker. It's really pretty good. So we're happy with ours. I hope this review helps you.